The virtual world is quickly becoming the future internet, and we're sure you'd like to be a part of it. The Metaverse has arrived, and the implications for Muslims are pretty frightening. Are you a Muslim who wishes to partake in the digital universe's frenzy? Watch this video all the way through if you want to understand what the Metaverse means for Muslims. This is undoubtedly the most significant and helpful video for Muslims interested in joining the Metaverse. We'll give you some pointers to help you evaluate if the Metaverse is safe for Muslims. Let's have a look at some guidelines for determining if the Metaverse is halal or haram. When you take off your headset and return to real life, the first idea that comes to mind is how dull real life is. It isn't as vibrant and vivid as the Metaverse, and that's a frightening concept. Your nafs has a strong desire to return to the Metaverse paradise and leave this planet. We've witnessed firsthand how social media can be a two-edged sword. Yes, some good can come from it, but it can also lead to a slew of problems, including anxiety and, in some cases, family and societal disintegration. As a result, we must exercise caution as we approach the next chapter of the internet. Sheikh Omar Suleiman spoke on the potential of Dajjal at the end of times to distort reality and make what isn't real seem better and be more interesting than the actual world during a compelling sermon. This is one aspect of the Metaverse that Muslims may find objectionable. Is there any alternative Metaverse perspective for Muslims? We must consider the Metaverse in terms of design and experience. For example, are there any designs in the Metaverse prohibited in Islam, and are there any experiences available that violate Islamic law? It's preferable to leave the Metaverse universe if the damage it brings surpasses the benefits. Of course, if something does not provide benefits, it's not permitted in Islam. It's also crucial to figure out how essential this technology is in the actual world. It should be avoided if the Metaverse interferes with a person's real life, such as his duty as a Muslim or his everyday existence. The Metaverse is a notion that encompasses more than simply entertainment. It's aware of your tastes, interests, and desires. Instead, it's intentionally built to offer material that appeals to you, courtesy of algorithms and artificial intelligence. These algorithms have gotten to the point where they know you better than you know yourself, whether through sports, comedy, or even cat videos. So what are the options for Muslims who wish to take advantage of the digital world? Make sure you know why you're doing what you're doing. What will you do or not do when you join the Metaverse based on your values? When and for how long will you enter the Metaverse? When will you realize you need to quit, that you're hooked and merely fleeing reality? Is there a specific Metaverse with Muslim-friendly content? Yes, a new Metaverse or NFT project that's been created just for Muslims. Metaverse will be the one to do so. Metaverse is a new initiative based on Islamic social principles and ideals. It's the ecosystem's first Metaverse created for the present Muslim generation. By assuring justice and direct connection with the community, the project helps to bridge the gap between Muslim content providers and their fans. Metaverse will begin by releasing its first collection, dubbed the Hufaz, as part of the initiative. The idea for this approach comes from the Hufaz, who have kept the Quran since its inception and thereby protected Islam's values. The Hufaz collection contains 6,348 distinct NFTs that portray a generation of modern Muslims, including men and women, and has a wide range of applications. Spending quality time exploring the digital universe and seeing what it entails can really help you reach your own decision. As you progress in the Metaverse, you'll spot trends and pointers that'll help you decide whether or not it's suitable for Muslims. You're going to develop your intuition. Do you love the Metaverse and would love to learn more about it? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave this video a like if you enjoyed it. Do you think Muslims should be on the Metaverse? Make sure to let us know in the comment section down below.